Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling live photos and understanding why. Live captures 1, 5 seconds before and after to create motion and sound. Open camera, tap the live icon so it's yellow. That's the only toggle you need to begin. Once done, compose quickly. Live records automatically, so steady the phone and press the shutter. Make sure formats and storage are acceptable in settings so you don't lose quality or compatibility when sharing later. You now refine the capture. Open the live photo in Photos and tap Edit. You can drag the trim handles to shorten the clip and choose a new key photo so the still image is exactly what you want. Once edited, tap Effects to make a loop, bounce, or long exposure. Each applies different motion logic for the same clip. Also mute audio or crop and apply filters. These changes preserve the live behavior while tailoring appearance for sharing or wallpaper use. You finish by choosing how to deliver the live photo. Share it directly via messages or AirDrop to keep the live effect, or export as video/GIF from the share sheet for platforms that don't support live photos. To use as wallpaper, pick Set Right Arrow Lock Screen and enable motion. If something goes wrong, make sure live was enabled when shot. Confirm you have free storage and the proper format, and restart the camera app. These fixes resolve most saving or export issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.